but they never done come. Yeah, and took our tries. It's been winning, but they never done come. Yeah. That's on my watch, but if you took all my rights away, telling me how to pray, won't let us demonstrate. Wrong, thinking I don't belong, hiding behind a gun, hoping we're gonna run. Wrong, we are the lions, we are the chosen, we're gonna shine out the dark. We are the movement, this generation. You better know who we are, who we are. Deep down in everyone there's a little fire. Let me get higher, right to the fire. Now lady higher, take it higher. We come higher, the girls them admire. Whoa! Living we go with pride. All of the lions we strive. Living so hard to unite. United we tired of lies, tired of lies. Now everybody wave, cause you are the lions. We are the chosen. We're gonna shine out the dark. We are the movement, this generation. You better know who we are, who we are. Yeah, if you're
All right, let us hear from the judges, starting with Anthony.
Yeah, short boss, you almost never get song selection wrong. You got it wrong tonight. That didn't work. It just didn't work. It was bizarre. It just kind of like was a bad choice. You better sort of step it up next week.
Conroy.
After Anthony, I don't know. It's always difficult to speak. But Short Boss, you did justice to the song. You performed it well. You're a performer, so you glide across the stage and you do your thing and you kind of pull people in. It's not the best rock song per se, if you're talking rock and real rock. But you did your thing.
Alaine.
Yeah, Short Boss, you never get the big kind of vibes where you get last time, right? Yeah. Because it wasn't as popular a song. And like Anthony was saying, song choice is so important. Like Conroy was saying, yes, you pull us in, but to a lesser degree than usual, because I don't think you really believe you're the lion. I don't believe you're the chosen, because if you were, you would be prowling around that stage and you would have grabbed it out of us. You know what I mean? Because you can do it. Yes, I do it.
All right, thanks, judges.